What's up, guys? My name is Miles.
And my name is Fez.
And this is The Commodity. And today we're reacting to Genting Skyworld theme park. It's cool 4K. Cool. So this is the theme park at Genting Highlands.
The one that they have to shut down?
I believe so.
The water park.
Yes, but this video was July. It was last month. No, it was this month.
It was 4 days ago.
It was 4 days ago. So that's exciting.
Were you about to January, February? Is that what you're about to do for July, January, February, March, April, May? You're counting them on your finger. You're like, this was 4 days ago.
So yeah, this just came out, so that's cool. So guys, before we hop into this video, if you go ahead and give it a thumbs up, that will definitely help us get this video out to more people, and in return would help the channel greatly. Also, if you like this video and you want to watch our future videos, click the subscribe button and the ring-a-ding-a-ding bell, as Fez likes to call it, so you can see future videos. Also, if you'd like to support the channel just a tad bit more, you could click that join button, and let's hop in.
Let's do it.
One thing that's cool about this...
There's that hotel. Oh, no, that was something different, right? It's got it looks like or is that a parking garage?
It looks like a parking garage. But what's cool about this is how high it is. Like the clouds are
it's on top of the mountain.
Yeah.
It's super cool. Yeah, I get it. It's super cool.
So cool.
It sounded like I was being mean, but I wasn't trying to be.
That's so dope.
That is really cool.
You put a theme park at the highest place. That's cool. And it's gorgeous.
And it's right next to a major city.
Yeah. That's such a beautiful hotel resort thing.
It's so just crammed in there.
Yeah. It's got that looks like a go-kart.
That would be
thing.
a dope go-kart race.
Yeah.
Especially if it had some pretty decently fast ones. That'd be awesome.
You got roller coaster.
That's
another roller coaster.
It's like half inside, half outside.
Yeah. Spinny thingies. More spinny thingies with lily pads.
Yeah, another one of those indoor, outdoor.
Those look like the teacup things right there.
Over here, yeah. So
that's really cool.
Growing up in Nashville, we used to have the Opryland theme park, and we had a roller coaster like this. It was awesome, except for it was mostly all inside, and it was super cool. I missed that place.
That's dope, and the mountain one's really cool.
Yeah, that's really cool.
So is that mountain supposed to represent any mountain in Asia, or is it just
a mountain?
A mountain.
Good question. I would like to know as well.
This looks like one of those roller coasters that you hang on.
Yeah, where your legs dangle.
Yeah. So I'm guessing it's shut down right now.
Yeah.
Well, I guess technically they're still kind of in lockdown. I think they're allowing people to go to the restaurants now.
Okay, good.
But I don't think you can cross districts. I might be wrong. But I do know that you can go to restaurants, I believe now. Swarren said that he met with someone at a restaurant the other day.
Awesome. Is that how we're getting our shirts?
They're on the way.
Yeah, I know that.
Did I tell you that?
Yeah. Well, he texted me.
Yeah, they shipped out.
We love you, Swarren.
Yes. That looks like a trippy ride. That looks like another dangler.
A dangler?
Yeah. I want to know if that's a go-kart track.
Yeah, let us know down in the comments. Is that a go-kart track?
But it also looks like...
Dude, it looks super dangerous.
Well, it looks like something... I think something you're like...
attached.
On a
rail system.
Yeah. It does look like it would be trippy, though. And what is this? Not that. It'll show it again. And that kind of looks like one of the Superman style rides.
Yeah, where it shoots you up in the air.
Yeah.
The rides that I don't like.
That's my favorite ride.
I don't like them. Because it's all just.
I just like the
Height.
adrenaline you get from the height.
Oh yeah. No, my luck, I get on it
and the
it
speed.
falls.
No, it just keeps going. Like it doesn't stop at
Yeah.
the top. It just shoots
Shoots
off
you
at
off.
the top.
Whee!
I'm really digging that mountain roller coaster.
Yeah.
Like it's kind of like the most different thing out of all of them.
Mm-hmm. Is there a theme to this? Like, is there like a specific theme? Like, this is one part of the country, this is the other, or is it just like we just put it together?
Yeah. Look how tiny that person is compared to that roller coaster.
Yeah.
Like I thought the roller coaster was actually kind of small until I saw
Yeah.
that.
Till you see something to reference it.
Yeah, that's what Presley would be riding in. That's
Dude, those make me so sick.
those
though.
they make me sick. Those look like the birds from
Madagascar or not?
no. What's it's where the
blue.
parakeet, yeah, bluey or blue. The
what
bird
is that
movie.
called? Rio.
Rio, yes, those look like the Rio birds. It's got a trolley.
Charlie.
Charlie, you bit my finger.
Ow, Charlie.
I saw a really cool meme. I'll have to show you about that later.
That was like one of the biggest, like, first viral videos
Yeah.
on YouTube.
Stay in your position. I gotta show you this meme now or I'll forget. It was on, I think it was What the Fuck Funny. Yeah. Oh, I need to keep that.
Charlie.
Such a dope hotel.
Mm-hmm.
Or is that the casino?
I think it's all one.
Isn't that the world? It says the world's largest. That's the world's largest hotel.
Yes, by room number.
Yeah. That's insane. How many rooms does it have?
I've looked it up. It's got like 20 more rooms than number 2 or something like that.
First world hotel, the world's largest hotel.
So I'm kind of curious about that. So, like, the majority of the largest hotels in the world are in Vegas.
Vegas, yeah.
So I'm curious if one of those expand or build a bigger one, do they just have to take that sign off? Seems like
I was just thinking the same thing.
it's like that's an expensive thing because odds are you're not going to be the biggest hotel forever.
Right. Well,
So-
it's like when they started building the P&B.
Yeah, or any
Yeah.
like to me trying to be the biggest or something like that, it's a lost cause because
Somebody's going to try and
they're
outdo
going to
you.
outdo you. I feel like it's good publicity to get people to come and take a look or come and visit.
Right.
Because
It's a
I
good
feel
start.
I feel like the more developed countries that kind of are past the necessity of building the tallest buildings.
Mm-hmm.
Like I would say, like the UAE is still kind of a developing country.
Mhm.
Like they're very wealthy. I'm not talking about financial. I'm just talking about trying to get people to visit and stuff
Right.
like that. Because not very many people probably want to go visit a desert, but you just made it like an oasis.
Right.
So they built the tallest building and stuff like that. And then, but you got places like Tokyo and places in Australia, the United States, Europe. Like a lot of these places don't go for the tallest anything anymore because
Right.
it's kind of like they already get people to visit.
Yeah.
Like at one point, yeah, like I think the Sears Tower was the tallest building, and then the one in New York, I can't even think of the Eiffel Tower. No, the Eiffel Tower.
Go to sleep.
Yeah. No, the what is it called? The big building.
I don't know.
The Empire State Building. So I feel like that's like a thing. Like they'll eventually get to the point where they're just like, we don't care about trying to be the biggest anymore.
Yeah.
Because it's a lost cause. You'll never win. If you do it, you'll hold it for a little while, and then next thing you know, it's half the size of the biggest building in the world.
It's a beautiful hotel, though.
No, it's super dope.
That's a cool structure too, though. Like it's kind of like a mountain, but it's not a mountain.
Mm-hmm.
So where's the water park?
No, I think they got rid of it.
Oh, so there was a water park.
And they shut it down. I think they did it to open this up.
Okay.
That's the downfall of putting it on a top of a mountain.
You can't put multiple things
Yeah,
there.
you're limited in space. It's a finite area.
Yeah. You could always put a water park over here.
Mm-hmm. That'd be dope.
Yeah. And have like a
sky bridge.
Yeah. Well,
That's probably
even
like 2 miles.
Not a sky bridge, but like a one of those things that you ride.
Oh, like a tram or a...
Yeah.
I'm trying to think of The Simpsons, because they have an episode where they have the train.
Kind of like a monorail too. You
Yeah, that's it.
there.
Monorail. That's what it is.
Yeah. That's so dope.
That is very cool. Look at the parking garage.
Yeah. That's a lot of parking.
Yeah. Man, and it's crammed in there. Like, it's like...
It's a tiny
Are those
city.
the hotels that got shut down?
The scary ones?
Yeah.
I think so.
It's interesting that they're just there.
Yeah.
And they said they shut them down completely.
Oh, so people aren't staying there at all?
Right.
I thought they were redoing them.
I don't know if they're redoing it, but they were talking about nobody can stay there anymore like they were.
Yeah, we read, or one of the videos we reacted to where that person was visiting.
Yeah.
He said they were already redoing the other one.
Which they might be, but I was reading in the comments that they shut it down to even the people
That were living there.
that were living there can't stay there anymore because it became like dangerous, I guess.
Right.
And the majority of the people that were staying there were immigrants.
Yeah.
So this is at least what the comments taught me.
Right. I love those pictures that they send us, that you guys send us, where in Kuala Lumpur you look up and you can see it's like a floating city.
Hugo Boss.
It's just a city on top of the world. Oh, I was asking, what is this? It kind
that's
of
a
looks
good
like
question.
possibly a theater inside. Like an
Maybe
amphitheater.
maybe it's actually an outdoor theater and there's just covers.
Yeah.
That's a good question. What is this? This is a whole building. I have no idea. That's a great question.
What's in the building? We might as well just go in. It's all repetitive now.
Yeah. And it
and it's
literally
over.
just ended.
Top 10 shopping malls opening soon in KL and Selangor.
Hugo Boss. What kind of stuff is that? Is that clothing?
Clothes.
I don't think I've ever actually ventured with Boss.
I mean, I'm not a boss, so I don't wear that kind of stuff.
Don't they do cologne too?
Yeah, I think so.
I think that's where I know it more for
And
is the
shoes,
cologne.
I think.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, no, this is beautiful. It's like I said before, it's awesome that this is at the top of a mountain, pretty much.
Yeah.
I mean, that's insane, and it's really an insane concept that you put a theme park on the top of a mountain, right next to the world's largest hotel. It's a cool concept. It's a unique concept.
They should put a big giant lookout tower,
Yeah.
like a Sky Needle or something like that, so you can look over KL and stuff. That would be super cool.
Mm-hmm.
And then they could put one of those roller coasters.
Well, I mean, I would imagine if you get any higher, you can't see KL anyway.
That's true.
A lot. I would actually imagine as high as it is, you can't already see KL.
It'd still be
just
cool.
because of the clouds.
It'd make it the highest needle in the world, I'm
Mhm.
sure.
Yeah.
So that would be really cool. But yeah, no, I really enjoyed this. Guys, let us know any other good videos that you want us to take a look at. Again, if you enjoyed this video, or even if you didn't, please hit the like button. And if you want to see our future videos, hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the bell notification.
Hit it.
So you can definitely get notifications on our next videos coming up. And if you want to support us directly, hit the join button and become a member. And with that being said,
that's my cue. My name's Miles.
And my name is Fez.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Peace
out.